mix, load, tape, cut, knife. The fast way to apply drywall tape. The Marshalltown Tape Shooter applies the tape and joint compound at the same time, which allows drywall professionals to complete the taping process fast. Using the tape shooter is easy. To get started, load the drywall tape into the tape spool and close the gate. Insert the tape through the slot in the back into the mud compartment. Push the tape up towards the top to make room for the joint compound. Then run the tape through the slot in the front. Now it's time to add joint compound. First, add water to thin it out. Mix thoroughly with a drill and an eggbeater mixer. Add more water if necessary and mix until the compound is smooth and creamy. Add the thinned joint compound into the mud compartment. Continue to fill until it's mostly full. Close the lid and lock it down. Set the flow adjuster and the tape shooter is ready to apply mud and tape at the same time. Apply the tape in short sections, pressing it down as you go. Continue to apply the tape along the joint until you get to the end. Tear the tape off with the built-in cutter, then lightly press it in place. After the tape is applied, use a taping knife and mud pan to set the tape and clean up the excess joint compound. The Marshalltown Tape Shooter is made with tough, lightweight aluminum with heavy-duty hinges and buckles for the mud door and tape spool gate. The tape spool is designed to load the tape fast and roll out smoothly. The Durasoft handle is comfortable, while the handle strap on the side is fully adjustable to fit your hand with an ergonomic thumb rest. The Flow Adjust system has an easy-to-use thumb screw that adjusts the size of the opening to get the right amount of joint compound on the back side of the tape. And the sharp cutoff blade cuts the tape at the end of each run. Speed up your next drywall project with the Marshalltown Tape Shooter.